Okay, guys. Hi, it's Angela Bliss with Angie's Art Asylum. Hope you guys are doing well today. I am continuing the bloom technique, blowed out one side, modified on the other side on these little 10 by 10 hexagon canvases. So I'm going to put down some paint. I'm just trying to use up the paint I have. It's maybe the last one. I am doing different colors this time. Let me go over the colors with you real fast. I have Bright Aqua Green by Liquitex Basics, Pearl Lime Green by Arteza, Deco Art Extreme Sheen Silver. I have this Little Piggy's Nebula pigment. I have the Treasure Gold in Blue Quartz mixed with Amsterdam Sky Blue Light. And I have a white and black cell activator, both Amsterdam paints. And we'll get right into it. I think I want and all I'm doing is pouring these in a puddle and blowing out one side and modifying the other side. And they're mixed with the Josonia varnish. The PM is Josonia varnish and untinted, the Valspar untinted house paint, base C. See how this color combination is going to work. The Nebula. I'm going to have so many colors left over, I'm going to have to figure out something else to do with them. This should be pretty. Put the silver on top. Kind of around it like that. And I'm going to do the black activator. Maybe the white too. Let's try the white too. Okay. And I'm going to use my blow dryer on cool and low fan. Let's see what happens. Oh, how pretty is that? I'm just going to modify it with a wooden chopstick. Some more paint around the edges. Maybe I can get these. I'm trying to keep my glasses on my face. Get this too much. Those colors are amazing. Love them. So pretty. Okay. How much paint do I have left? Okay. There. Should do it. We're just going to spin it out. See what we get. Touch there. Let's go this way. That's pretty. I don't think I'm gonna spin it anymore. I really like that. So you guys tell me what you think in the comments. It looks pretty amazing to me. Maybe I'm biased, but I definitely love it. So I will let you guys see it when it's dry. And thank you for being with me today. I appreciate it. Okay guys, hi, I'm back. This is the dried result. It is amazing looking. Those lines and details are so cool. Such a pretty piece. Little 10 by 10 hexagon. Modified bloom. Quite pretty. Love the blues. Let me know what you think in the comments, guys. It was fun doing this, and hope you stick around, subscribe, and like what you see. Stay tuned for lots more. Thanks. Bye.